Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's chelleyvelle again. Thank you for stopping by. Today I want to talk about the process I did to my hair today. I actually got for the very first time a silk press. Yes, that is what this is right here. If a lot of people don't know what a silk press is, it just means I went ahead and professionally, okay, got my hair blow dried, flat ironed, as well as a much needed trim, okay, as well as getting it wrapped. I got it done at Karline Salon and Spa. Amazing, amazing. And I'm so fortunate to be a part of this amazing company and work for them, and also be educated on the products needed to take care of my hair, how to maintain it. So hopefully I'll be able to get a good 1.5 to 2 weeks out of this. And as you can see, as my previous video that I did with I used the product Uncle Funky's Daughter. That is my hair. If you watched the beginning of the video, you saw my hair fully dry or almost dry into like what seemed to be like a big afro. And then of course you saw how my hair was once I applied product to it. So I have been natural now for 8 years, and I haven't straightened my hair in about 2 years. And because I kind of stretched out straightening my hair, you know, I did all kinds of hairstyles to it, as well as, you know, wearing wigs. I didn't keep up with my trims as well as I should have. So I definitely need to make sure that at least, you know, once a month I do a proper trim. So I just want to kind of get up close and personal with you guys. I love it. Can't stop running my hands through my hair, because I guess because I'm just not used to feeling my scalp this close, I should say. But I love it. I'm actually going to wrap it every night and use a silk scarf. And I'll also put the link in where you can get some of the silk scarves and silk pillowcases also being sold at Karline. So you could also place an order if you're interested in getting one. And that's about it. I'm gonna insert some clips of the process of, like, you know, getting it blow dried to getting it flat ironed and all of that, so you can actually see what happened while I was at the salon. Doing a silk press. My stylist Troy is blowing me out. We're doing a silk press. So I'm looking forward to see how this turns out. But yeah, stay tuned for more videos like this, and I hope to see you soon. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? It only takes a second. And be sure to like this video. Bye guys, I'll speak to you soon.